Hello everyone. In this video we are going to understand exercise 2.5 question number 5 second part, and statement is to factorize. Here we can see total 6 terms are there. Again 3 are perfect squares. As we understood in previous video, total 6 terms and 3 are perfect squares. So we come to know about one identity in which there are 6 terms and 3 are perfect squares. That identity is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. This identity will be used in this question to factorize. Now, some students, they find it difficult how to write this 2x square in form of perfect square. Y square very easily can be written as y whole square, but in case of 2 and 8, some students, they find it difficult. So let us solve this problem. Before solving this problem, I will go to this term. See 8z square, 8 how to write in terms of perfect square. For that I will take LCM of 8. Everyone knows how to take LCM. Now 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Take square root on both sides and make pairs. Its pair is not complete, so leave it. Out of this pair, one number outside. 2 outside, what is left inside? 2 only. That means square root of 8 is equal to 2 root 2 square. I want to write only 8. So what I will do? I will take square on both sides. When I take square on both sides, what is left? Square and root cancel. 8 is equal to, here I will not do any calculation because I want to write in the form of square of some number. I repeat, here root is cancelled because I just wanted to write 8 as perfect square. So here I have cancelled the root, but here no calculation will be done because this is already in the form square. So this will be kept as it is. That means 8 we have written in the form of square of some number. So similarly here, same this number 2 root 2 z whole square. Now I want to write 2. Same method will be followed. So let us start. Take LCM of 2. Now see 2, 1 is the 2 only. Now 2 can be written as 2 only as we write here. 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 can be written only 2. Only one factor we have got in the LCM. Then take square root on both sides. So what is left? Only 2. No pair can be made, means root 2 is left. Now take square on both sides. Here this and this cancelled. 2 only. This is equal to square root of 2. Square of root 2 means 2 can be written as square of root 2. Similarly here also I am writing root 2 x whole square. Now after this, same method as we understood in previous video, that is plus, for these three terms I will write 2 space 2 space 2. Then we have to make the cycle. How cycle? A, B, C, A into B, B into C, C into A. But the question is, what is value of A, what is value of B, and what is value of C? See carefully, leave this square. This is value of A, this is value of B, and this is value of C. Now just make the cycle as we made here. A into B, that is root 2x into y, then y into this, y into 2 root 2 z, then this into this, means 2 root 2 z into root 2 x. Now I know some students, they are thinking that here is minus, but here we have written plus. Don't worry, let us see. Always write the terms which are being multiplied in bracket. Now we shall adjust this sign of minus. For that I will underline the terms which are negative. See, these terms are negative. So in these underlined terms I will see which variable is common. Clearly x is the common variable. So in this expression, wherever I find x, there I will put sign of minus. This is root 2x, so here I will write minus in the bracket. Similarly, here also minus. And here is no x, so no need to put the sign of minus. Here is also minus, so I will write here minus. Now coming to right hand side. This expression is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So I will also write this expression as a, that is minus root 2x, plus b, that is y, plus c, that is 2 root 2 z, and whole square. As I told you in previous video, whenever they ask to factorize, that means answer should be in the form something into something. Here power is 2, so I will write this expression 2 times, how? Minus 2 root x minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. And this is our answer. I hope you have understood this question. If there is any doubt or suggestion, you are always welcome. Thank you so much.